Hello, traders. Welcome to Options Premium Daily. I'm your host, John, and today we're going to quickly cover something interesting with thinkorswim on the charts. So, as you kind of go here, you're going to see a little thing with these charts where you get these gray bars, and these are sort of after hours movements. So, I'm on the 5-minute time chart here, and you'll see we're looking at the gray bars, and this can sometimes create a lot of noise. It makes it a little trickier to actually trade, say 4-hour charts. You'll see that it's just covered in gray everywhere. And so to give you an idea, I like to actually get rid of these so that I can kind of trade better without so much noise in the way. So the way we're going to do that is you go up here where it says chart settings. We're going to go, you'll see under chart settings there's a top set of tabs, and if we just go to equities, down here in the lower part where it says axis, you'll see show extended hours trading session. So you just click that. We'll click apply and you'll see it already moved it off, and OK. And now you have a lot cleaner chart. And there is sometimes argument for having the after hours there, and you can always just toggle it back, but personally I like to have a little bit more of a cleaner look rather than all the gray bars sort of adding noise to your analysis. So that's kind of just a quick, easy, and dirty way to do this. So happy trading. Let's see how things play out for the rest of the month. Election is sort of over. There's still a lot of contention, but no doubt I'm sure there is some volatility to come in. We're sitting at 23 right now on the VIX, and we haven't really gone below 20 this year at all. So it's looking interesting. Let's see how it goes. And actually we were under 20 at the beginning of the year, but I guess since COVID hit. So we will see how it goes, but happy trading. Thank you for everything. I will chat with you on the next one. Bye-bye.